On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
That worked out pretty good. Ugh. That worked out pretty good. What's going on? Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's going on? All right. Just getting set up here. Just got some more coffee. I'm trying to use less cream in my coffee, okay? I can't join the dark side yet, but I am trying to use less creamer in my coffee. I don't think it's good for my figure. I don't think it's really good for my figure. And, you know, we're all about our figure up here in Canada, our figure skating, our figure of speech. What else is a figure? Action figures, right? We have the best action figures all day. Okay, don't get it twisted. Figure me this. What's going on, everybody? Good to see you. Good morning. It's Sunday. Random live stream, 6 figures. Let's go 7 figures because of inflation, Sibel. Let's aim high, and if we hit 900,000, then it's okay, right? Let's aim for 7 figures because 7 is the new 6, baby. Let's go. Oh man. So, Sunday pump? Are we gonna get a Sunday pump? I don't know. Let me know how you guys' weekend was. We're going to jump into the chat. We're going to jump into the charts. We're going to look at Bitcoin. We're going to look at some possible altcoins. Super is absolutely ripping it. We gave a Sui trade setup in our Discord. That was pretty bomb. And Bitcoin's chopping sideways, baby. Let's look. Thank you, everybody, for being here. You guys. Thank you for being here. It's Sunday. You should be with God right now or with me. So thank you for choosing me. Either way, we're out here. I'm going to pop out this chat and take a look at you guys because you guys are what kind of drives this thing. I'm okay to just press buy and sell by myself, but it's more fun with you guys. So I want to say hello. Luke Zaldana, good morning, bro. Otter Gang, smash those likes. Much love to the whole crew. Let's go. it's like if you're part of the Otter gang, right? If you join the Discord, maybe you get the membership, maybe you don't. But if you're part of the gang, like haven't you always wanted to be part of a gang, but you didn't have to do like the dirty kind of nasty actions to be in a gang? Like it's cool to be in a gang. Well, you could be in a gang and not have to do any of that bad stuff. See, pretty cool, eh? Good morning, DDT. How you doing, man? Forget about it. We're going to get after it relentlessly. Absolutely. Every day. Every day is another day to get after it relentlessly. I love it. I love the enthusiasm. Walsh, Jesse, I think we could do some more exclamation marks next time. What's up, Otter Gang? What's going on, man? Hope you're having a good day. Alex was going to start at 9 a.m. Central, and then he realizes he's in the middle of minting meme coins on the #1 meme coin chain, Caspa. Yeah. I don't know. I just got some, like, I hope I'm wrong for all of my Caspa friends, okay? I hope I'm wrong. I probably am wrong, and that's okay. I'm all right being wrong. However, I think there's something fishy about Caspa. I'm just saying, okay? I can't say shit because I don't own it. I bought it at 10 cents and I sold it at 20. Okay? What's going on, Lloyd Roger Spencer? Good to see you, my man. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Sniper's Nightmare. Hope you're healing up nice and well, man. My man. Hope you're doing well. And we did come up with a new video. If you guys don't mind going over and watching that new video on order book stuff. Order book. Or order object tree. Not order book. Object tree. Sorry. Object tree. Go over and check that video out. Drop a comment in there and support the channel. I'd really appreciate that. I'm trying to make some more evergreen content for you guys so you guys can go and learn, okay? I'm trying to do it. I'm going to make a whole bunch more. They're coming your way, but I need your guys' support, okay? I need you guys to pump those videos. Jen Ceruleus, good morning to you. Okay, Lotmo Crypto. I like that name, Lotmo Crypto. Good to see you. Good morning to you. We got Farmer in here. What's going on, Farmer? Are you, like, do you farm or do you just say you farm? I mean, Farmer's been around forever, right? Farmer's been around forever. And, like, I've always wondered, is he like a legit farmer or is he like a Fugazi farmer, right? Is he one of those Fugazi farmers? Not sure. They're trapping longs right now, by the way. If you're wondering what they're doing, they're trapping the longs. Okay, they're trapping the longs. And they want to make the longs pay. If you're wondering what they're doing. You're like, Alex, why are they dumping now? Why are they dumping, Alex? Well, they're trapping longs, okay? That's what they're doing in my opinion. Right? Getting everybody scared. Everybody bullish right now. Little push up this morning, getting everybody like, ooh, we're going to the moon. Let's go. Moon boys. Let's go, moon boys. Okay? And I know Schaefer's in a long down here, guys. So let's pray for Schaefer. Let's hold the Schaefer trade on her. Let's hold the Schaefer trade here. Okay, maybe a stop loss is below this wick here. Okay. Send prayers for Schaefer. We want to get at least 61,200. Okay, this is my Schaefer line. Look at this area. This is for Schaefer because he loves pink. Oh, that's bright. Oh, that's bright. Isn't that nice and bright? Look, that's Schaefer's take profit, okay? So pray for Schaefer and his long right now, please, my friends. That's how we're rolling. Lotmo Crypto, let's get it. TRD Farmer, is he a farmer? We'll have to find out. Good evening, Wonderbar. You must be either, you're not in the UK because it's only 3 o'clock in the UK because my wife's talking to her mother right now in the UK. They got grown-up digs these days. Alex, do you have a real guest room now? The only guest room I have is in the shed, okay? You can go in the back shed because right now having a baby, I don't want anybody visiting. Okay? Is that fair? That's fair. Tool, yeah, Tool. You know, favorite band, of course. You got to be part of the Tool army. Crypto Josh, good morning to you. Michael, hello. Good morning to you. Black all day. Let's go. Try marshmallows in your coffee. Okay. I mean, what are marshmallows made out of? I've always wondered. Like, are they, you know? How do they make a damn marshmallow? I got to go on that show. how it's made. Remember how it's made when we were kids? How it's made, popsicle sticks. And then they'd have like the conveyor belts of popsicle sticks and how they're actually made. I loved that show, How It's Made. Do you guys remember that? Did you guys have How It's Made, that TV show? And you'd see how like just random shit's made. I love that. I love that. Okay. Abhi, Hawan, Happy Gippy Grewal. Happy Gippy Grewal to you, my friend. We got Retro Mike Tech. I kindly invited all the Cast Maxis to raid your stream. That's perfect, man. Like, come and hang out, Cast Maxis. I'll tell you how it is. I hope you don't get rugged. I'll pray for you. I'll pray for you. All set. Good morning to you, Offshore Miner. What's up? What's going on? Lloyd Rogers Spencer. Wolverine uses creamer for sure. I love it. I love it. I love it. Holy smokes. You guys you're blowing up the memberships, man. I'm trying to say good morning to everybody, man. Trying to say good morning to everybody. This is a lot of work lately. I remember when there was 3 people in the stream and I didn't have to say good morning for another 6. This is going to add like 10 minutes to my stream. Silly Alex, God's always with us. Absolutely. God is cool. That is like me and my wife's saying. We always say God is cool. I love God. What's up, Offshore Miner? Crypto Josh. Sibel, good morning to you. You guys keep messaging and messing up this. You truly look like him. Who do I look like? I'm wondering who I look like. Wolverine? Do I look like Wolverine? I wish. Nick Ottergang. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Nick Musgrave in the chat. My man. The guillotine. Word up, cream is a treat. Don't deprive yourself. Walk an extra 100 steps. Man. Oh, man. More 10, good morning. Little Fish, good morning to you. Worked all day yesterday and driving 10 hours today, still trying to wake my brain up. Okay, hopefully we can help wake your brain up. Retro Mike Tech, Josh. Redman, good morning. Let's go, Otter Gang, says Redman. Alex, any thoughts on CS bearish outlook on the upcoming year? Absolutely. I think it's valid. There's a lot of things to consider. Long-term outlooks are not my thing. Okay, up, down, side to side, money making is where it's at. And for me, I still have the hopium that there's a bull run as long as we hold above 47,000. Okay, that's it. That will be my line in the sand. Okay, and then we'll start to look to maybe ladder out of our positions. I mean, we're heavily in Bitcoin sub 25,000. So I'm not too worried. Whatever, I'll take the 2x on my money. That's cool. Okay. Arrow ripping nicely too. Yeah, we got super ripping as well. Redman, Ludwig, Sibel, good morning to you. Amy Lives Crypto, good morning, Amy. All the best Amy's. My wife's name is Amy as well. So thank you so much for being here. Amy Lives Crypto. Go check out Amy Lives Crypto's channel. Amazing content. Okay, you'll learn a lot. Cameron, good morning to you. Oh, man, so many nice people. Even Schaefer's in here, man. Schaefer, did you go long? Did you take profits or not? I want to know. I closed the other one last night. He did. He went long at 60,000. Oof. Let's readjust this. 60,000. Oof. Let's pray for Schaefer. Hopefully Schaefer can we can get a bounce here for Schaefer. Okay. Thank you so much, Nick Musgrave, giving out the 5 memberships. I mean, my man, I love you, bro. I love you, man. One of our moderators in here, giving it away, man. Thank you. Welcome, Crypto Vol, Lotmo Crypto, Luke's up. Who else we got? Jen Ceruleus, Jonathan Schaefer, Selena Anderson. Okay. Good to see you guys. Welcome. RS Miller, hi, good morning. Good to see you guys. I'm getting there. I'm getting to the bottom of this chat. Good to see you, RS Miller. We lost our otter at the zoo. Oh, no. Morning, mate. Good morning. Are you from Australia or England? I would love to know. I'm not happy. I am saying that you have a twin called Gippy Gurawal. Google his name. I'm afraid to Google shit that people tell me to Google. Maybe we'll look him up one day. What's going on, Curl? Hello to you. Well, hello to you. Does somebody want to Google Gippy Grewal and let me know if this is true? I'm not brave enough to Google Gippy Grewal. Okay. He just got stopped out. Oh no. Oh no. Schaefer gonna get wrecked. Spot selling is heavy. Darren, you're so mean, man. No, at least Darren spits truth. Dave Digital, what's going on, man? I thought you were ripping apart a roof this morning, man. DJ Ani, you missed me. What's going on, Johnny? Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. Lunar Beaches crypto. I didn't skip over you intentionally. Where are you? Here you are. The one time I'm free to go live, you go live. Guess I'll just quit. Never quit, man. Never quit. No one likes a quitter. Love you, bro. I love you, bro. Did you guys see the shirts Lunar Beaches sent me? It says "Hodl me" for my little boy. Amazing. Amazing. I mean, I just kept showing up, doing this YouTube thing, and kept trading and trying to help people. And it's slowly but surely. I mean, of course, you want to grow faster. I mean, we're only at 3,000 subs or whatever. And you know what? I've been streaming consistently for over a year and a half, 2 years now, and well, not everybody's gonna like you, and that's all right. We're not here to I'm here to help people and work together and try to make money and all that good stuff. But sometimes you gotta, you gotta keep pushing forward, right? Are you stopped out now, Schaefer? I think I would like to see us come up for here, 60,005. Okay. Can we come up here at least? Are you out of this trade, Schaefer? You out of this? So how we all doing? How are we all doing? It's a beautiful Sunday morning. The birds are out. It's not that cold in Canada yet, okay? So you don't have to put up with me a lot because when it's warmer, I'll go outside more. When it's colder, I'll just stream more, okay? So what do we got here? Bitcoin. Now, we were going over this in the premium Discord yesterday. Now, if you are new, come over and hang out with us in the Discord. There's a free section as well. We're mostly active in the free section. However, if you want the trade setups and all that good stuff, come over and hang out. Nick's just having fun in the sun, man. My God. And if you want to look some object tree stuff, here's your object tree. Keeping it organized, okay, my friends? Okay, keeping it organized. But this is trading crypto, Rokino says. Okay, guys? Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Yeah, he's just getting sausage slapped, man. This guy is absolutely getting sausage slapped. So if you come over, oh man, sausage slaps. You come over in our Discord, you won't have to get sausage slapped like that guy did. Woo-wee. Woo-wee. So what's happening here is that we had a little SFP above, okay? So I still think we can go higher. I think we can get up to here. We never really We never come and touch. We never came and touched this area right up in here. Okay, you get your bullish divergence down in here. You pop up, right? You push up overnight. You come down, you SFP down below here, right? You have put in a lower low right now. So are we going to push down? Right? You have put in kind of a lower low here. However, this looks like a little... See, if you go into the short-term time frames, okay, and you're degenerate like I am, and you're looking for this thing to rip, okay, so you can see it rolls over, right, creating liquidity, right, and then it rips this morning, getting everybody's in their pajamas, and they're going long up here. They're like, man, Bitcoin's going to 100,000, right? I see this movement, and it's very obvious. Like if I go over here and I turn on volume, look at this, okay? Turn on volume and take a look at what volume did here, okay? Look at how everybody in their pajamas got a big boner this morning, okay? You get a volume spike here, volume spike, volume, and then it stalls, okay? It does like an axle stall, like on a skateboard, okay? And it stalls here. And then everybody's going long here because they're thinking, oh, we're going to 70,000, right? Then it comes back and it absolutely crushes their dreams and it says, hold on there, bro. Hold on there. It's Sunday, man. It's Sunday, right? We're gonna wreck you constantly. And this is good because it's going to prepare you for what's coming this week. Okay, this is going to prepare you for what's coming this week is you are going to go to wreck town, okay? If you aren't managing your positions aggressively, this is going to be like this week, okay? We have one of the biggest events coming our way is that the interest rates, the rate cuts are coming, okay? It's like winter is coming, except there ain't no dragons to protect you, man. The dragons are the ones who control the price, okay? We do not have enough ammunition to fight the Fed, okay? So what do? We have toy stop losses. We have early take profits, and we pay ourselves, okay? We pay ourselves because this is what's coming, okay? This is what's coming. We are going to watch a lot of retail cry this week, and we are not going to be part of the crying people. We are going to be the ones who have the Kleenex boxes because we're so rich we can afford Kleenex boxes, you know, with inflation and all that, that we can give all the people getting wrecked tissues, okay? We can give them all tissues. And by protecting ourselves, we don't wreck ourselves, okay? So, we're going to go top-down analysis on Bitcoin. We're going to look at some things like Super. Super's getting an absolute rip to the upside. Sui trade setup given in advance. Oh, look at this thing. Look at this thing. A beautiful 5% move given in advance in the Discord. 8% move. My God. Crushing it. Trades banging, man. Trades banging. If you're in our Discord, you know. Not only is it a small, tight-knit community, so you get attention. I'm going to pay attention to you. I'm going to help you be better, okay? Making traders great again is what we're all about, okay? Oh my God, I didn't get stopped out. LOL, I thought I did, but I refreshed the website and bam. Okay, now you're in profit. So profits, not profits. So Schaefer's, let's go on our 1 minute time frame. Schaefer's stop loss was right here. That's Schaefer's stop loss. Okay, didn't get hit. Okay, he refreshed the page and now he's in profit. Let's go, Schaefer. Let's go, bro. Let's go, man. Let's go. Manage that position, baby. I still think we can come up to at least 60,600. Okay, at least. Do we get there? We'll see. I haven't put my money where my mouth is just yet, okay? I am looking to possibly get into a long right now, but I'm not in a trade yet, okay? I'm not in a trade yet. I want to see confirmation of this move. So, yes, we know that we have our beautiful, beautiful interest. Are we going? Let me know in the chat. Let's do a poll. Guys. So, it is Sunday. This is more of a chilled stream, okay? So we're not like live trading like we do Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Fed cut. Got two options, 0.25 and 0.5. All right, you guys gonna let me know. What do you guys think? I'm gonna blow my nose. Remember when I used to have allergies? It's coming back. Allergies are coming back. There is no confirmation. Not sure what you're trading. The casino is open too. Homets, yeah, good luck. Homets, let's be kind. I mean, we're all here to work together, right? That's what community is about. So we can keep this on our degenerate. I think this can pump, okay? I'm on Team Schaefer right now. I'm looking. I think we can get to about 600. Okay, and then we'll have to consider if we come for this liquidity up in here, okay? I would love to see an SFP up in here, right? A little bit of a, I mean, shit, he's making money now. Look at this. Coming back, wrecking everybody. Now it's going to whoop, whoop, and then dump on everybody's ass, okay? Let's go. Okay? Let's go. Pull the fixed range volume profile of this upper range. So let's pull it. Let's pull it. Are we going to... Yeah, we're going to the value area high. We're coming up. We're coming up. We're holding the point of control, baby. DJ Ani. We got Mark Dutch in the chat. Let's see some... I would like to see some Mark Dutch clogs in the chat, especially from all you new members. Okay? I would love to see some clogs in the chat. You guys are incredible. You guys are incredible. Shall we take a look? Shall we take a look? Okay, so if I'm trading this, let's go into the 3-minute. Okay, I would like to see a close above here. We have point of control support here. We have V-shape recovered just now. We have grab the longs, grab the shorts. Eesh. You know what? You know what? Fuck it, let's go long two. Let's go long two. Okay, I'm going to go long here. Bang. Okay, I'm long. I'm long. I'm going to... In Schaefer, we trust, okay? In Schaefer, we trust. We'll see how this works out. Fuck. I don't know. You know what? Sunday, baby. Let's go. Let's. It's only a half a position, okay? Half a position in right now. We'll see how it works out. Oh man. See, you guys got me breaking my rules here on a Sunday, man. Only on a Sunday. Only on a Sunday. Good day. Army Piper in the chat. What's going on? What's going on, bro? Look at all these damn shoes in the chat. The real traders are at the beach today. Absolutely. Absolutely. Which way is the beach? Is it that way or is it that way? I love it. I love it. Do you guys know what Mark Dutch's clogs look like up close and personal? You guys see the clogs in the chats there, but have you seen the clogs in the chat? Like, have you seen them? Have you seen his pair of shoes? These boots were made for walking, and that's just what they do. Look at Mark. I, as a former carpenter, I handcrafted these croc clogs for Mark Dutch. Okay, handcrafted. Okay, handcrafted. Look at that. Get to the chopper. Stop whining. Stop whining. Okay. You know how much sandpaper this required? Oh, man. Oh, man. Okay. So, we're here to learn. We're here to work. What do we got? Weekly close. Okay, let's go over weekly close. Let's check out this. Look at this beautiful, beautiful candle. My God. My God. Oh, my God. Look at this. Look at this thing. It's a work of art. It's a work of art. Okay, so we're engulfing. Okay, so engulfing. If we're simply using CryptoFace's theory about engulfing candles, right? He says, you get the same candle in the same direction. If I take this and I copy and paste it, right, and I drag this over here, we gonna get something like this, baby. That means we should be coming up to grab liquidity at 64,000. Not necessarily true, but just an idea. Now, the beautiful thing here is that we do have positive posturing here on our VWAP, right? And we're holding the zero line of our stochastic. So money's starting to try and curve up. This is nice curvature. However, this is about being patient right now, okay? Patience will prevail. Patience will prevail. So let's make sure that we aren't getting overly bullish, okay? Overly bullish will not help us make better decisions, okay? However, can this continue to pump? I don't know. I'm not convinced just yet. Okay, so the weekly looks better. We've had it push up out of here. We have this massive trend here that we can see that we are in, suggesting a breakout. Okay, so we are approaching 60, this key level that we have in here, which is this pink line. In my opinion, if we get above 61,200, okay? And you can see if we draw just a simple horizontal line, right, around 61,200, and we come straight across here, hold shift, This has been critical resistance. Okay, so we're critical resistance. We're approaching critical resistance. And what I would look for is a breakout retest continuation out of this symmetrical triangle. Now, does that mean we're going to get it? Right now, in my opinion, we have tons of liquidity up here. A breakout retest continuation would be nice. However, we have the Fed cuts this week, okay? So let's not get overly excited on anything right now. Long-term analysis is not going to help you this week trading. I'll tell you that much, okay? Being prepared is one thing, but it's going to be a very interesting week, okay? Please be careful. Boltards are going to get wrecked. Does that mean I should take profits now? Okay. You're getting me worried, Darren. You're getting me worried. You know what? Darren? I'm going to take 75% of this out. Just for you. Stop loss to entry, right? Stop loss to entry. Now we'll put stop loss still below there. Okay, so I've taken 75% of this out. And 5% gains, baby. Let's go. So we're long with Schaefer. Maybe we shouldn't have taken the money out, but I'm trusting Darren's TA right now. Okay, so let's see if Darren is right. My target was 600. So we'll see if we get to 600 or if I listened to Darren and I took profits, okay? Took profits. But we're profits, not profits. You know what I mean? So I put my money where my mouth is. That's what matters, okay? It's Sunday, man. Let's have some fun, guys. It's going to be an interesting week. So what is coming up this week? We know rate cuts are, but also we have retail sales on Tuesday. So it'll be a doozy. Okay, So Monday, it's just going to be a very, very interesting, choppy event. Okay, this is crazy. Like it went from this to Darren, you meant on Wednesday? God, come on, bro. My financial advisor just told me to take profits and not take profits. I'm kidding. It's all good, bro. It's all good. It's Sunday. My God. I'm upset now. Maybe I'll add to it. No, I'm not going to do that. Sorry about the flashbang. So we're looking here. And this is going to be an absolute doozy. What do you guys are saying? You got 65% of you saying 0.25 basis points and 35% of you saying, oh man. Sibel says, pump the likes. Thank you so much, Sibel. God bless you. Thank you for being here. We got 90 people in here and 35 likes. I think you just press back on your phone and hit the like button. I know it's a pain in the ass, but it really does help. Thank you. Okay. 50-50, baby. It's going to be an interesting one. Here's Schaefer right now watching his stop loss. Here's Schaefer right now. Okay. We'll see how this plays out for the rest of the day. So let's go back to our top-down analysis. So what do we see? The concern here on our 3-day, okay, so we can see the Jesus taking the wheel is starting to form, right? So we have the Jesus taking the wheel pattern, which typically you get a red dot up here and it's bearish. But for now, what I see is overextension here on the VWAP, okay? So this has been a nice run up. However, I would like to see this cool off before continuing up. You can see on my market cipher, I have a 10 line right here, and I have a minus 10 line here. So this is for VWAP. I use this for VWAP. So you can see anytime, it's like an overbought and an oversold for VWAP, right? So anytime you get above it, you're typically looking to return back down and vice versa. You can see it acts as a pretty good line for overbought and oversold for VWAP. And right now we are a bit overbought, right? So for me, it's a warning sign that, hey, we could be cooling off in the next, week or so, right? Because this is the 3-day, right? We're getting a candle in 2 days, right? So come Wednesday, which is what we're looking for, come Wednesday, we could be looking to cool off, okay? Now, let's look at some hopium things, okay? We were looking at this last night. Oh, so on on the 18th, okay? Here comes the conspiracy theories, okay? On the 18th, we have a full moon. Okay, so we got a brand new pump moon. Okay, a pump moon is coming on the 18th, okay? A pump moon is coming on the 18th. So, oh man, we've had a bearish moon and we are getting a pump moon on the 18th, which is also, Wednesday, okay? So, I mean, it's something to be very, yeah, Lloyd Roger Spencer knows. I'm going, on the 18th, we're getting a pump moon. And then we have the quad witching date, okay? Quad witching date is also coming up. I ain't here to spread FUD, but there's a lot of things aligning right now, okay? Right? The most important days we have are Wednesday and I would say election day, okay? Election day. So this is, in my opinion, a very make or break area for Bitcoin. My be all end all lowest price prediction is if we lose here, we are in trouble. Okay? We are in trouble. We can make this Jonathan Schaefer pink key level, okay? We'll add that to our areas. If we lose this, we're in trouble, right? Because that means we're probably going to be range bound at sub 45,000. Okay? That means that we're coming within this area in here, right? And that will be painful. Okay? Oh man, this thing is so bright. Let's just go back to green. So that's kind of my line in the sand right now. Quad witching is Friday, right? Yeah. It's going to be exciting, man. This week's going to be an absolute doozy. Are we pumping, Schaefer, or what? Are we pumping, bro? Come on, man. Are we pumping? So getting back into the top down. Let's go back into the top down. Let's take a look. Good morning, Chris Klein. Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. I saw a question in here. I think I missed it in the chat. Sorry. I saw a question in here. What was it? What was the question here? I missed it. Sorry, it's not easy when you guys are just chataholics in there. So the 3-day, a bit of hopium, right? Money's curving back up to the upside, overextended on VWAP, okay? So something to be cautious about. Now, the daily is the one that got us, right? The daily is the one that really told us, hey, we're going to pump from here. We got the VWAP crossover, the stochastics flipping green. We are struggling to get above the 50% line on stochastics right now. And as you can see, VWAP has turned down, okay? So as you can see, money's coming out. VWAP's turned down, right? And we're not getting above the 0 line right now. So this would be ideal, right? Anchored trigger wave, blast off. That would be ideal. That doesn't mean it's going to happen, right? So there's a lot of room to the upside still if VWAP resets, okay? That means that this just curves like this, okay? And then we can look for continuation if we pop back up here, okay? That kind of lining up. Okay, so it's always important to try and forecast with Market Cypher. If you're new to Market Cypher, I mean, you have your slow money flow. you have your medium momentum waves, right? And then you have your sporadic quick moving VWAP, right? So get your creativity on, draw some lines. Okay, so this looks like it can come down like this. This looks like it can continue like this, right? How many days is this, right? And then you measure, use your measuring tool. You measure and you're like, okay, so, VWAP can come down within the next 4 bars, right? Which is 4 days, which is aiming us around Thursday, right? So we're looking for a bounce off VWAP if we are continuing down around Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, so that's interesting. And this will allow you to forecast. It will also allow you to give yourself a better opportunity to make money, right? And this is going to show you the way, right? Like if you had seen, right, that we flipped to green here. We were heading down on stochastics here, but we flipped green and VWAP was coming back up right here. So if you drew a line like this saying, oh, VWAP's going to cross over by this day, you'll be able to catch this pump on the way up, okay? Crypto Billy in the chat. My man, what's going on, bro? How's your weekend going? God bless you, bro. Love you, Crypto Billy, man. You are my spirit human, bro. Good to see you, man. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Let's see some CBs in the chat. Also, Tony Soprano dropping through. What's going on? My original Otter Gang member. What's going on? Shout out to you guys. Chris Klein, hope your kitty cat Floki is doing all right. Mad love to you. Crypto DJ, are you in a trade? Yeah, we are in a degenerate long right now that we have taken profit from. It's kind of a fun trade now. It's literally like a 10% of my regular trade. I've taken profit up here because Darren told me to. Okay, so we'll see how it goes. I'm not really trading. Okay, it's I was in an actual trade, but now I'm in a non-trade kind of, We're just hanging out here. It's Sunday, right? We just want to come on. I don't typically do a live on Sunday, but wanted to come out and say hello to everyone. It's going to be a stellar week. So we're going to be doing live streams. We go live trading Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, okay, from 8 till 10, where, I trade how I normally trade, how I make my income, and you guys get to hang out with me, and we go over Bitcoin, and we scalp the living crap out of it and make lots of money, okay? That's how we roll. And then I'm starting to do some long-form content. There is a premium Discord where we do private live sessions as well. There's a lot of stuff going on, but mostly come and hang out in the morning, and we'll make money together, okay? We'll make money together. You're not alive on Sundays? I mean, I'm a family man, right? So at the end of the day, I just had a newborn son, and you like to spend time with your family and your wife and all that stuff like that is my priority. This is my income. Obviously, I work hard at this, but I do this so I can do that, right? Right? I do this so I can do that, and that's what it's all about. Just posted a roof update. Let's go. Let's go. Did you strip it already, Dave? I mean, stripping a roof, you got the pitchfork out. I mean, I love nailing. With roofing, roofing is the only building material that tells you how to install it. It has lines, it has tabs. You throw up the tabs, you line up the lines, pop, 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 pull up the lines, put up the tabs, pop, 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 pull up the lines, line up the tabs, pop, 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 right? So roofing is actually quite fun, as long as it's not a scorching day and you have a really good couch cushion, okay? If you have a couch cushion, it sticks to the roof, so you can continue to work up the roof. Couch cushions are clutch, man. You get 2 foam from the couch cushions, and you cut them up and you put them as knee pads, and I'm telling you, it's a game changer when you're roofing. Pop, 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 pop. Line it up, put it in, pop, 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 pop. Good to go, man. It's once you get off of the ladder and stop carrying 2 bundles on your shoulder, okay? I remember I did it. I was 19, shingling a roof, 2 bundles on the shoulder, climb up the ladder, right? Like, I mean, I don't know. If you've done it, you've done it, right? I mean, it's trash. You got to get the lift. You got to get the lift for the shingles. If you don't, it's a pain in the ass. However, yeah. Yeah, I get it, man. Carpenter for 13 years. I mean, I had to install the roof for you guys, and you guys are all talking about shingles, the stress shingles. Yeah. Did you follow the manufacturing nailing? Billy, does anybody ever follow the manufacturing nailing pattern? I mean, they give you the and they wonder why half of it sags, right? They wonder why. I mean, they wonder, right? They just like the noise. I swear, roofers just like the pa 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 pa. They think the quicker they go, the better the roof's gonna be. Oh man, too funny. Too funny, man. And I'm sure it's different in the South where you have hurricane. I mean, the building code is so. The amount of joist hangers and stringer hangers and hurricane clips you got to use in the South is absolutely insane. I mean, it's insane, right? It's so interesting. Like once you know building code and like how it differs in different areas. Like in Canada, we have a 4-foot frost line. That's why every house has a basement in Canada, because you got to dig 4 feet for a frost line. So might as well go 8, right? There's so many interesting things with building that you don't really think about, but you would learn if you're a carpenter like I was for 15 years. So, looks like our long's playing out. Let's get back to some beautiful Bitcoin top-down analysis. So the daily has lots of room to the upside. Use your measuring tool. Let's see if it can continue upwards, okay? Let's see if it can continue upwards. So going into our 12-hour, we have this uptrend that's quite interesting, okay? So we have an uptrend, a little bit overextension right now, but at the end of the day, what interests me is that we have nice curvature coming into money flow here, and we have curvature on the VWAP. So this is something you have to look at as well on Market Cypher. Is your VWAP spiky or is it curving? Okay, you can see when it spikes, it snaps back. Okay, it spikes, it snaps back. It spikes, it snaps back. Right now, we're curving. Look at the curve. Okay, nice curvature. I like curvature. Curvature means bounce, okay? Right? When you see curvature continuing down, right? But when you see curvature, you can expect a bounce, okay? You don't see it all the time, but you do get it. Nice curvature on VWAP, okay? It's pretty jagged, but you can see it's starting to curve here, right? It's starting to curve here. And this will allow you to kind of anticipate a potential bounce on certain altcoins or Bitcoin, right? So curvature is nice. The 12-hour, if we go back on our 12-hour and we just vertically mark out when stochastic changes color, okay? From green to red, from red to green. These are typically great front-running opportunities to go short, to go long, okay? And it's an early sign of opposite direction, okay? An early sign. Let's zoom out here. And you can see, so early sign warning you for this pump up, early sign warning you for this dump down, early sign warning you for this pump up, early sign warning for this pump down, okay? Are we getting an early sign here for a continuation pump up? Okay, so something also to keep in mind. Definitely use that stochastic. I don't see a lot of influencers / chartists talking about stochastic on Market Cypher, and it is actually very, very useful if used correctly, okay? Let's go over to our 4-hour. Oof, how's this? Are we pumping? No, we're not pumping yet. We're not pumping yet. We're not pumping yet. Dutch, what are you guys talking about here? You guys are so inappropriate, man. Behave yourselves. We're Sibel, remember Reef? It's still going. Let's go. Sibel with the Reef trade. Amazing. We need Pump Beat to kick it off. Let's hear it. What song do you want to hear, Billy? Let's go old school for Billy. Boom, 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 boom. When the night boom, 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 and the lamps go boom, boom, and boom, boom, boom. It's only like we'll see. Boom, 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 let's go, let's go, let's go. No, I won't be afraid. Let's go, Billy. That was for you, bro. Only for Billy. Billy only gets the beatbox on command, okay? No one else gets the beatbox on command. Mad love, bro. Mad love. We're pumping the price, man. Let's go. We're pumping the price. Let's go. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So, money flows continuing to the upside. Hopefully we can continue to push, even though I've closed most of my trade. Man, oh man, oh man. I'm just a bachelor, looking for a partner, someone who knows how to rock, don't even falling on, be competitor, to push me to my limits, to go when I'm breaking you on. I promise, I don't want to get on. If your father boom, she'd probably throw you out her home. You Earth, but you're still not ready for the four elements. Earth. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Wind, ors, arsh, arsh, leash, bees, see-do. See-do, hot. Bruno, press, watch, one, two. Fire, LL Cool J is hot as boom. Battle anybody, I don't care who you boom. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. Let's go. Good fun. Oh man, we having too much fun in here. Classic. I mean, I used to love beatboxing as a kid. It was like my thing. I was like, I can't rap, man. I can't rap, but I'll drop a beat, man. That's what you get for growing up in Toronto, downtown Toronto, and everybody's like, yo, drop the flow. I need to get Jason Caspa on here to drop it faster. Right? That'd be sick, man. That'd be sick. That's how we roll. Can this continue upwards? Now, let's continue here. So looking at our 4 hour, the 4 hour. Mark Dutch doesn't like raps either. How long have you been trading crypto? Yeah, so I've been trading crypto since the Luna collapse, just over 2 years now. It took me about 8 months to get profitable, and then I went full-time last August. So it's been a journey. My first trade, I traded Terra Luna collapse. I shorted that thing. I made 10 grand. Then I added extra leverage to a Solana, and then I got liquidated. That was my first trade. Welcome to crypto. Made 10 grand. Lost it in a second. Walked up to my wife and said, I fucked up. And since then, I've worked hard on developing a craft and trying to help others. And it's been a life of freedom since that. So it's been quite a journey. And I just want to help other people create that life of freedom for themselves as well. So that's kind of why we started this channel. We wanted to learn faster. So by regurgitating everything I'm thinking to you guys, and you guys tell me I'm an idiot and I'm wrong, has helped me immensely. And that's constructive feedback in a way. But yeah, since then, the Discord's where it's at. We've grown this Discord. We have, 1,200 people in here, and we're all working together to kind of create a life of financial freedom. We have amazing traders, amazing people in here, built on kindness and generosity and just trying to give back. We ran a free Discord for 2 years, just trying to help people. There is a paid section now, but I mean, it's been a great journey. So it's so incredible to be part of the gang and to have everybody here. I mean, there's people who've been with me in this chat for over 2 years as well. So God bless all those people. You know who you are, and we continue to show up, and that's what you'll get out of me. Is you'll get consistency, honesty, and transparency always. So look at this. We're pumping, baby. We're pumping. We are pumping, baby. Why did we close out that trade? My God. Where are we going? Where are we going now? Wow, nice push up here. We're looking for 600. We're looking for 600 on the Sunday close. We'll see if we get there. A nice push up here. Remember, today going into this week is going to be so volatile, you're going to get destroyed. Okay? To be as nice as possible, you're going to get absolutely demolished if you aren't taking profits early, protecting yourself using a strong stop loss. This doesn't look that bad. You zoom into the 1 minute, look at this thing. Everybody getting wrecked, okay? Violent moves. Okay? Violent moves. This is something you need to be aware of. This week is going to be volatile. It's going to come back. It's going to wreck you. You're going to get long at the top, and you're going to be like, oh, we're going up. And then it's going to go boom, and it's going to break you. Okay? So please understand the environment we're in this week. It's going to be aggressive, okay? It's going to be very aggressive, and it's something that you don't want to mess with, okay? You don't want to mess with the volatility, okay? The volatility is a gift as long as you respect it, okay? You need to respect the volatility because it will take your money. It will take your money. And what's the number one rule is to protect your money. Okay, protect your money. Do not just give it away for free. Use a stop loss. Pay yourselves early. All those good things, okay? All those good things. Environment that we're in right now, okay? Oh, man. Just checking the chat right now. 4 hour. Curvature again. Ooh-wee. VWAP crossover. Ooh-wee. Overextended here. So, concern that this could be, peaking a bit. But this, as long as this money flow stays flat, this is still bullish. Okay. This can stay like this for quite a bit of time. So we want to see confirmed, really confirmed rejections on this. On our 4 hour, getting into our 3. Our 3, we're getting a green dot. Wow, this is interesting. So the idea here would be an SFP. So coming up here, swinging the highs here, and getting a rejection down. That would be the ideal short trade in my mind. Okay, so what is important in this situation is you wait for confirmation, right? Because this is such an aggressive environment right now, because The market is so aggressive. You need to wait for price action to come up, sweep the highs, and then make a lower high. You need to wait for that lower high. Don't try to catch the knife, okay? Please don't try to catch the knife, because whether it's going, let me know in the chat. What we have falling knife when it's coming down. What is it when it's going up? What is it when it's going up? Is it like rocket shipping? Like what is the word for when we SFP a high like that, right? We have the falling knife, right? The falling knife, we know, don't catch the falling knife. What is it when it shoots upwards? What's the word for it? Tell me in the chat, please. I need to know. I need to know. Giant dildo. Mooning. Okay. Changing the light bulb. Oh, man. The banana. So when we banana SFP, so SFP, bearish divergence here, right? Bearish divergence. Erectile dis ED. I mean, that would be flaccid, right? That would be like this. It wouldn't be like this, right? It'd be the opposite of a banana. I would have to invert the banana. I'd have to, we'd have to be like this, right? That would be a bullet, knockout, rising rocket, depending on the candle, a shooting star. See, at least Billy's level-headed. This is why we have... I love the degeneracy in here. Razor burn. Razor burn. I think I like changing... So far, I like changing the light bulb. That's good. Okay, so we're starting to print a green dot on multiple time frames here, looking to continue to push. However, we're a bit overextended. Okay, so patience will prevail in an environment such as this. What's going on, beautiful? He's awake. Are we going to do tummy time? Tummy time? All right, guys, you heard it there. You heard it there. So we'll be live tomorrow. I'll be in the Discord this evening. I'm in this long right now. I'm going to put stop loss to entry and go spend some time with my family. We're all having fun here, okay? It's been a good time. However, if you are new here, come over and hang out in the Discord. I mean, I'll be over there. You can ask whatever. We have the Ask Alex Anything, and you guys are abusing that lately, and I appreciate you guys asking me a bunch of degeneracy questions. We have the Otter Talk, and we have trade signals and all that good stuff. But it's been a fun one. Maybe we'll do a Discord Sunday close, but I'm going to go spend some time. I'm going to go spend some time with my son. I mean, there's like a couple windows a day where he's actually like really awake, and like it's really it's magical. It's magical, and it's a beautiful time, and I treasure that time, and I'm going to spend all that time with him as much as I can. So that's the gift of, day trading, and that's what hopefully I can help you guys accomplish, is freeing up your time so you can spend it with your loved ones and the things that you care about. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful Sunday. Thank you guys for supporting me and helping me support you. Take care.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.